Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the video looper feature in InVideo to create a seamless video loops for your content. Whether you're making your social media clips, background videos, or looping animations, the InVideo makes it easy. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official InVideo website. Sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Once inside, click on Create New Video and select the video template that suits your needs. You can also upload your own video from your device. After uploading your video, drag it to the timeline. Click on the duplicate or loop option to extend the video length without interruptions. Adjust the number of loops or trim the video if needed for a perfect seamless effect. You can also enhance your loop video by adding text and relays, transition and effects, background music, and voiceovers. Once you're satisfied with the loop video, click Export and choose your preferred resolution. Wait for the InVideo to process it and then download your final video. And that's it. Using the video looper in the InVideo is simple and effective for creating a seamless looping content. Try it out and make your video stand out. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching.